Welcome back for episode 2 of our 4Runner build. Again, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be replacing the bushings on the front sway bar and also going to replace the front sway bar end links because they're all worn out. So I ordered some parts from Amazon. So we're going to be installing that today. Again, if you haven't done so, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell. So again, thanks for tuning in. So let's get it. This is how an 18-year-old sway bar end links look like. And this is the new sway bar end links that I got from Amazon. It's a non-branded one that is designed to work for an 07 4Runner. So for the front end sway bar bushings, I decided to use some Moog parts that I got from Amazon. Okay, so to replace the sway bar bushings right here, so we're gonna have to remove the skid plate. We're gonna use a 13 socket right here. So we got 1, 2, 3, and there's another one up there, so it's gonna be 4 bolts. So once we bring everything down, we can start working on the bushing. So let's go ahead and remove the skid plates. Okay, so now that we have removed the skid plates, we're gonna be start loosen up this bolt right here at the back. So the bolt on the back, we have to remove it all the way, but the one on the front, you don't have to remove it all the way. You just have to loosen this up, and there's a notch right here where you can just slide the actual bracket out. So we're gonna start with the right hand side. And by the way, it is side specific, so like these ones right here, it goes on the right hand side. There's a mark right here, it says R, and obviously it's going to be the same on the other side. It will indicate that it's going to be L for the left hand side. So we're going to start removing the right hand, and then we'll go from there. Remember to loosen the bolts on the brackets on both sides so you can easily slide the bushing out. So these are still the original bushings that came with the car. As you can see, it's cracking really bad and feels so brittle. Okay, so we got all the sway bar bushings installed and also the sway bar end links. So everything should be good to go. We're gonna test drive it to see how it goes. But I'm actually thinking about removing them after I lift the vehicle up to see how it actually handles. But I don't know yet. We'll see. So if you guys have any comments or suggestions, just leave me a comment down below. Again, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.